Japan has one of the highest life expectancies in the world, and the Japanese diet is said to be a big part of this. So let's take a closer look at some Japanese superfoods that are probably worth adding to our diet. Soba is made of buckwheat flour, which technically isn't really a wheat, but it doesn't mean it's any less nutritious. It's a seed that has plenty of vitamins, minerals, and protein. It reduces the risk of heart disease and lowers cholesterol. Plus, it's the perfect noodle alternative for those who can't eat gluten. Love it or hate it, you can't deny the never-ending health benefits of natto. Known as a classic breakfast dish in Japan, especially coupled with rice, these sticky fermented soybeans contain the recipe for a looked-after body. The fermentation process creates probiotics that promotes gut health and facilitates the absorption of nutrients. Natto is also known to strengthen bones, control blood pressure, prevent weight gain, and help digestion. Tsukemono, or pickled things, are not just great for cleansing the palate, but also for cleansing the gut. With a nice helping of potassium, which keeps blood pressure steady, and generous amount of fiber, Tsukemono has been used as a digestive aid for centuries. Try some fermented pickles to enhance your immune system. Miso is filled with healthy bacteria which reduces toxins in the body. With beneficial plant compounds and its use of a type of mold called koji, miso is great for the intestines and cognitive health. Japan is one of the top countries for rice consumption, and while white rice isn't exactly the healthiest, there are alternatives such as Zakkoku-mai, which is rice mixed with beans, seeds, and grains. Next time you feel like a bowl of rice on the side of your meal, make it with this fiber-heavy addition that aids in digestion and helps reduce weight. Tofu, like miso and natto, is part of the soybean superfamily and is often spotted floating around in miso soup. Made from crushed boiled soybeans, this bean curd is filled to the brim with essential amino acids and protein, a superb choice for a vegan diet. Eating tofu reduces cholesterol and reduces the risk of heart disease. Sashimi, or raw sliced fish, has far too many positives to pass up on a plate. Omega-3 fatty acids are the star quality of sashimi and are known to keep the heart healthy by reducing cholesterol, slowing plaque development, and steadying heart rhythms. By enhancing your metabolism, sashimi reduces weight and is great for a low-carb diet. Salmon is often coined as another superfood, so get double the benefits by eating it raw. A cup of matcha, or Japanese powdered green tea, contains antioxidants that ward off cell damage and prevent viruses. Some studies say drinking green tea also helps improve liver health. Matcha contains a naturally high caffeine content, so it's a great replacement for your morning coffee. So whether or not it makes you live longer, these superfoods are going to do you better than worse, so they're probably worth adding to your diet. It's worth a try, right? Cheers!